power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited High Altitude 4xe in black clear coat. With adaptive cruise control, full speed forward collision warning, 20-inch aluminum wheels, body color 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, remote start system, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7968.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.